Hello, LOJ community. Here's some information that you need to know before you start back here next week. Hi, I'm Mrs. Lober. I'm your assistant principal, and here's a picture of Mr. Mills. We'll be here to greet you on that first day. Please feel free to find us and ask us any questions. You probably are wondering, when are my hybrid classes? When are my online classes? And where are my hybrid classes? Here's how to find this information before you start. Sixth graders' first day is Tuesday, March 16th. Seventh graders start on Thursday, March 18th, and eighth graders start on Friday, March 19th. Here's how classes are grouped if you're a hybrid student. Hybrid classes are 2 classes that you take in the school in the morning, AM, or afternoon, PM. Language arts and social studies are grouped together, and wellness and science are grouped together. The classes that stay online and you're at home for are math, electives, and support classes. The 2 that are in the other half of the day from your hybrid classes. If you are an LO online only student, all 4 of your classes will remain online. If you switch to be online from hybrid, you most likely have changes in your classes for quarter 3 and quarter 4. Your counselors have already notified your family of the changes. Here's a reminder of our bell schedule. It's very similar to our distance learning schedule, but our periods are a little bit shorter, so please take a look. If your hybrid classes are periods 1 and 2, you are in the AM cohort and you arrive at 9 a.m. If your hybrid classes are periods 3 and 4, you are in the PM cohort and you arrive at 1:40. Wednesdays are the same for everybody. You log in from home to the shorter morning class periods and you don't attend school physically on that day. To find your schedule, go to Student View. You can find a link to it on the LOJ website at the bottom, and then you can access the Student View page. You'll click on Class Schedule from your home page dashboard. Here is a sample AM cohort schedule. You'll click on quarter 3 and see your classes listed. This student has LANSS during periods 1 and 2, which means they come to school in the morning for the AM cohort and are home in the afternoon for Zoom classes. Here's a sample PM cohort schedule. This student has LANSS during periods 3 and 4, which means they're home in the morning for Zoom and come to school in the afternoon for the PM cohort. Here's a sample LO online only schedule, where this student, as you can see, has all their classes online. The room numbers should indicate this. Here's how to find your classes for that first day if you are coming to school for hybrid. The room numbers, as you can see, are the same for the hybrid classes because you will stay in one room for 2 periods. Remember this classroom number or your teacher's name for the first class of the day when you arrive. You'll enter the school at your grade level entrance and we will help you find your classroom. Here's what to bring. Wear a mask that fits you well and feels comfortable. Have a backpack with the following items: a charged Chromebook and headphones if you have them. School supplies like notebook paper, pencils, and pens, and anything else the teacher asks you to bring, and a filled water bottle. Here's your checklist. Check your schedule in Synergy on Friday, March 12th to ensure that all the class changes have gone through. Check for messages from teachers on Google Classroom. Confirm your cohort, AM or PM. Remember your room number or teacher name. Pack your backpack and arrive at the designated time. We will help you when you arrive and we can't wait to see you. See you soon, sailors!